Does RSD affect children? Unfortunately, even children can get reflex sympathetic dystrophy, or RSD, a serious neurovascular condition that can result from even very minor injuries. A child can sustain a minor sprain like a twisted ankle, or a sports-related injury such as a broken wrist that doesn't seem to heal quite right. The child may experience extraordinary pain that is difficult to treat and seems to be far beyond what one would expect with such a minor injury. Hopefully, the presence of RSD gets diagnosed right away, but in some cases, the diagnosis is delayed by months or years, with endless suffering. Reflex sympathetic dystrophy seems to be more common in kids than has been previously thought. One medical study looked at wrist fractures in children and found that the incidence of RSD following the fracture was between 7 and 37%. In children, there are differences in the disease when compared to adults. The diagnosis is often delayed for weeks or months, and some children develop the disease without the original injury even being apparent. Many of these children have significant mental issues and are best treated by a multidisciplinary team that includes a psychiatrist or psychologist. Unfortunately, many health professionals are unaware of RSD in children, even though the disease is much more common than previously thought. Quick diagnoses are rare and often made when all other possibilities have been eliminated. The average time between onset of the pain and an accurate diagnosis is about 1 year. Children with RSD often suffer from psychological damage. They are misunderstood, and many are dismissed completely as suffering from a psychosomatic disease. In truth, the pain is very real and can damage the psyche of just about any child. If your child has been diagnosed with RSD, even if after a very minor injury, it is important to talk with a law firm that has experience dealing with this complicated and poorly understood condition, and that has a network of medical and legal experts available to help.